in the Grand Budapest. A picturesque, elaborate, and once wide...
Let's recreate this shot in 3D. The vast amount of work went on modeling every detail here. There are so many details, and every time I thought I was done, I noticed more details in the original shot. It's meticulous work, but honestly, there's something meditative and soothing about it. The hotel itself is mostly symmetric, so 60 or 70% of the modeling I just put in a symmetry object, which worked fine. Since there are so many details, I'm trying to be as efficient as I can, using as few polygons as I can, and using instances for similar models like most of the windows or poles. The only models I didn't build myself are the pine trees. I found some decent looking low poly ones on CG Trader and I altered them a bit. Then I started texturing, using some brick and rock materials from Bridge, but mostly just creating simple materials myself. The original scene is probably mostly, if not all, illustrated, so I didn't need the materials to be realistic or nothing. The lighting is very soft and diffuse, so I used an HDRI of a cloudy sky and ended up combining it with an octane daylight with the sky turbidity set high so there are no harsh shadows. Some models needed hand-drawn ornamentation, so I had to UV unwrap them. If you enjoy this content and feel like supporting, feel free to check out the Patreon or membership. Lots of cool perks there, but mostly you'll help me make more and better content for y'all. Thank you. Then paint them roughly on the model in Cinema, and then use Photoshop to refine the painting and import it back to Cinema. Then I color graded the render in After Effects to match the original palette, and I later went back and modeled that little trolley, fixed a few general details, and re-rendered it in 4K. And that's the final render. I even went ahead and animated a trolley and added snow falling like in the original scene. I'm super happy about it. Color grading is always a struggle for me, but I'm happy with the results here. It's kind of crazy, but this took me over 20 hours to create. 20 hours of non-stop fun. Consider supporting on Patreon if you feel like supporting. You're truly appreciated, and a big love to all my beautiful patrons and members you see on the screen right now. I love you. Have a great day. Peace.